Hello, sir. I just applied 5 hours ago. Does that affect my chance to win if I filled in the last day? That is a question from Jagir Akan. I don't know if I pronounced the name correctly. Very, very good question. If you apply on the last day, 5 hours before, or let's say 3 minutes ago, like before the deadline, will that affect your chance of winning? 100% no. As I said, you have a practical example. My nephew, I applied on the last day, was almost like an hour, 2 hours before the deadline. Like they, boom, and she won. They are not looking whether you apply on the first day, or the middle of the application, or on the last day. In the end, they don't process anything before. This is not a rolling based application. You finish all application, the first person apply on the first day, and the last day they put all application together. Then they split them into region: Africa region, Asia region, Europe region, Oceania, whatever, all those regions separately. And then they are going to do randomly selection, regardless of at what time, whether you are the first person to apply or you applied on the midnight. As long as what it says at the end of the application, it is successful application, you got the confirmation number, your chances of winning are the same exactly like any other applicant, like the same person who applied on the first day. So don't feel like, oh, I didn't win because I applied on the first day. Oh, I didn't win because I applied on the last day. I didn't win because I applied on the last hour. No. It is a successful application with a confirmation number. You are good to go. There is no any difference from any other person who has applied.